Hi guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm Michael from Orlando, Florida, and I just want to let you know about my experience here at Heva Clinic. Honestly, my experience was great, you know what I'm saying? Very smooth, process was quick. I got here, transportation found me, got us here on time. They checked us into a nice hotel. We got back from the hotel, they brought us to the clinic. Once they brought us to the clinic, they draw your desired look, your desired hairline. The process went very smooth. Once they do that, they take us back. They get our, take our blood, you know what I'm saying, for PRP. And from right there, process is very smooth. They do our injections. A lot of people say it hurts. It's pain level, only like a 5. Not bad at all. You're gonna enjoy it. I don't want to say you're gonna enjoy it, but it was smooth. Like, it's not bad as you think. So he was gonna take care of you guys, you know what I'm saying? Process was great. It's a great time here, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful people, kind people here. Definitely do Heva Clinic if you haven't done anywhere else, if you haven't decided, Heva Clinic's your choice. Thank you.